Welcome to Dynamic Circuit. We are going to test Siemens Industrial Power Supply. This is 3-phase input and a 24 volt 40 ampere output. It's originally DC not output coming. After we repair, we are going to try right now. This is our multimeter for measuring voltage. This is our resistance load. This lamp to indicate that the output is on. Now we are enable the power supply. You can see here DC is okay. Output is 23.7. We can adjust until 29. This is our resistance load. You can see here the lamp is too bright. So successfully we are repaired Siemens Industrial Power Supply. Please visit for your industrial repair solutions Dynamic Circuit. Thank you very much for watching this video.